Before starting, relax your mouth and tongue. Try saying ah, e, o, mm. Now repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am doing great. What is your name? My name is. Say your name. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from. Say your city. Where are you from? I am from. Say any city you like. Do you like it here? Yes, it is nice. That's good. See you later. See you. Repeat this 3 times. Daily tips. Don't worry about mistakes today. Consistency matters. Thank you for watching.